Hi guys, Nancy Bell with My Fairy Treasures. Okay, you guys, I'm going to come to you guys with some Christmas DIYs, and a lot of them are going to be using Dollar Tree products because I love to shop at the Dollar Tree, and there's so many great things there. So, anyway, this is one of the projects I just did. I think this is so cute. What this was this. It was the ornament sign, which is really cute just in itself. But then I love music notes. So I thought, how cute would it be if I decoupaged on a bunch of music notes onto one of these. And then I put the little silver bow on it. Now I didn't glue it on yet because I just got done with this and it's still drying. It's dry to the touch, but it needs to dry more. And I don't want to wait until I glue the bow on. But you get a pack of 3 of these silver bows, or they come in gold, and you get a pack of 3 at Dollar Tree. Oh, I guess I should say, you guys know, obviously, these signs are at Dollar Tree, okay? So that's $1, of course. And then you get 3 for $1 in a pack of these bows, which I think is a great deal. So you're like maybe 30 cents a piece, something like that, 33 cents, anyway. And so then I just put that at the top. So let's make one of these together. And you guys, these are so simple. I love how it came out. And this is the other thing I want to say. I used music note paper, but you don't have to use music note paper. Maybe you don't have a bunch of music note paper. All you can use is book pages. If you don't have books you want to rip up, buy a book from Dollar Tree, rip that one up, okay? And you can use book note paper, which I think would look adorable too. Like, I'd like to make one with book note paper too, because I think that would look really, really cute. You can also, your decoupage medium that you use, you could throw a little bit of brown into the mixture and make it look so it looks a little bit aged. That's another idea, which I might do on this next one that we do. So, and I may age this one out. I wanted to see it not age because my Christmas is very shabby chic. And so I think for me, the whiteness on this is going to look better for my decor, what I'm doing. So, but if you want it to be a little aged, add just like a little bit of brown, a little bit, very tiny bit of brown acrylic paint, or some little bit of brown ink to your decoupage glue, or your decoupage medium, whatever you want to use. So anyway, let's get started. But I think I love how this turned out. Like I said, it's still drying just a little bit. So let me put this aside somewhere. I got so much going on. I got so many projects to show you guys. I'm so excited. Okay, so I went ahead and I started already, like I always do. Okay. And I got my bow all ready to go on there. So let's get started. And you know what? Just a second, guys. On this one, I am going to add just a little bit of brown to my decoupage, just to brown it out a little bit. Not a lot, just a little. I have some decoupage medium that I made up earlier, and I put too much brown in it. So I'm just going to add that to this and see what happens. Oh, this actually turned it a little bit pink. What the heck? All right, let me get a little bit of brown acrylic paint. I should have done that before I got on this video, but just a second. You know when you're looking for something quickly. Okay. I'm running into everything of acrylic paint I have but brown. Alright, just a second, guys. I'm going to have to get up off my keister and go, wait, maybe I got some brown here. What is that? No, I'm going to have to get up off my keister just a second and go grab some brown paint across the room here. Okay, I'm back. Just had myself a little crafty avalanche, of course. Okay. I don't want to add too much, so let me get another plate. So see, I have just a little bit of brown paint, and you need just the smallest amount. That's why I put this on a separate plate, because I know I just need a tiny bit, and I know I'll end up getting way too much. Like, let's just try that much right there. See, that might have been too much. Darn it. See, I did that before, and I just put too much. Maybe it won't be. I just want it kind of like tea stained a little bit. But what happens is you can go ahead afterwards and age out your piece. But if you can get it right, you could do it all at one time and not have to go back and age it out. You could just add a little brown to your glue. And I'm using some homemade decoupage glue, which is Elmer's glue mixed with some clear acrylic matte coating spray, and it makes it more like it makes it more matte. It makes it so it can be like a paintable surface, because I do some other type of work also that I like it to be more of a paintable surface. All right, you guys, just a second. Let me see if this is going to be the color that I want, or is it going to be too brown? Yeah, it's going to be too brown. Okay, let me just put that aside. I've wasted so much glue trying to get that right. Anyway. Let me stop wasting time on this video. You guys are like, okay, girl, you could get on with it. I know. No time like the present, though, just experimenting on my video. Okay, let me make sure you guys are still there. Make sure I'm in frame. Move that up. Okay, let's rock and roll. So I have a bunch of music note pieces all torn up over here on the side. And like I said, you could just use book pages. I'm going to go right over this right now because I don't want that color. Sometimes that color right there would be perfect, you guys, for a lot of stuff I do, because I like it aged looking. But not for this. Not for what I'm doing on this project. I do like a pink Shabby Chic Christmas. So that super aged look probably wouldn't look good with the rest of my stuff. Oh, now this is something I wanted to tell you. I like to go over the edge, and then when I'm all done, then I cut around. Also, I know how to remove this, which I do on some other things, because I have another project where I actually remove this top piece right here. But on this, you can just go right underneath it. You can just scoot the pages right underneath it. You don't have to remove this off there. But it's easy to remove off. I have another video where I'm going to be doing some stuff with these bells, and I'll show you how to remove that top piece off of there. You guys, this is so simple. So we're just decoupaging. Paper on. Music note paper pages. And I think what makes it so cute is that it's music notes. And so this could be decor, but this could also be a gift. You could do a set of 2 of them. Especially somebody who loves music or plays an instrument. It'd be a really cute gift. And if you use book note pages, it'd be really cute for someone who loves to read, you know? So you could do a mixture of music notes and book pages. That'd be cute too. If you want, you can coffee stain these before you start. And to get that real aged look, if that goes with your Christmas or your decor. And then I think these are very, I didn't even mention this, these go with my Shabby Chic theme, but these could also go for farmhouse, for a Christmas, like you decorate farmhouse for Christmas. So, and I think they're so cute, and they're so rusticy with that this little silver thing at the top for the bell, or the ornament piece hanger right there, that you could leave these up all year round, done like this, in my opinion. In fact, I think I know someone I might give this to as a gift, a set of these, because she loves music. Just hit me right now. I think she would like that. It's so quick and easy, you guys. This is just quick and easy. And then, like I said, just so you don't have to worry about trying to, you know, fit everything in this circle, just go over the edge, and then once it dries, then you can cut everything. And for farmhouse, I think it would look cool to coffee stain or tea stain the pages first. And all that is, if you haven't done that, it's just make yourself a brew of coffee, a pot of coffee, not a pot, but whatever, some leftover coffee from the morning, or use some instant coffee. They have that at Dollar Tree. And then you just put your paper in it, bring it out, and let it dry. Also, you can bake it in the oven on about 200. And you can bake it too. That adds even more age. But like I said, for how I'm decorating, I don't want the aging, so I'm not gonna do that. Which I can't believe I'm not doing that, because I age everything always. Okay, so you can see this is a quick one. This doesn't take hardly any time, and very, very inexpensive. And like I said, like I've said a couple times now, if you don't have music notes and you want to do this, don't freak out. Just use book pages. Again, with the book pages, if you want to age them, you can put them in some coffee or tea. Same thing with the book pages. And I like ripping, when I do my pages, I like ripping them, because I think that just makes it look more, I don't know, it just looks more cool than all these straight edges. Okay, so that's it for that part. So what you're going to do is you're going to let that dry, okay? So we're going to let that dry. And then, let me show you something else to finish it up, because I didn't show you on the other one. Just do that on the ground. Okay, this one here that I have dried, I'm going to take the bow off for a second here. Let me put this away. Let me take the bow off. To finish this off, okay, so what I did is after everything's dry, I went around and I went ahead and cut off the excess. Just a second, guys. I've got glue all over my station. My table, I should say. Okay. So I cut off all the excess paper. Okay? Oh, I just think that looks so cool. Okay, then you can take whatever you want to take. Oh, and if you want this to have like a shinier coat on it, you could also put you could put some type of a glaze over it if you want. I like the more matte look of this, so I'm not gonna glaze it, but if you want, you could do that too. Okay, so this is a Jane Davenport water-soluble crayon in black. You can use that. You can use a Faber-Castell gel stick in black. You could use a You can use a Stabilo. You can use a watercolor pencil. All these things are water soluble. Like, is this a water soluble pencil? No, that's not the right one. Let me see if I have one right here. Yeah. Here's a water soluble pencil. You could use this. You could use, let me see if I have it sitting right here. I don't have it. Wait, it should be right in here. I keep a ton of stuff that I like to use all the time. Yep, here it is. So you can use a Stabilo, which I don't have. It's more like that's like a water soluble pencil. You can use a black Faber-Castell gel stick or gelato. Okay. This is the watercolor pencil you could use to do this same thing. Black. Or you could use the Jane Davenport, and they look like lipsticks. Isn't that cool? The Jane Davenport color sticks. Okay. They're like water-soluble crayons. And what I like to do is just to go around, just to give it a finish. See how this looks finished around here? That's because I use this. In fact, I could put a little bit more right here. So just go around to the edge, lightly. Use your spit or water. Just go like that. And then that just gives you that little bit, it finishes off the edge. And I did that all the way around. Simple, simple, simple. And just gives a more finished look. See how it gives it a more finished look on the edge? And that is it. And then once this is dry, like I said, it's cold to the touch, so it's dry if I touch it, but it's not dry enough for me to glue this on here. So what I'm going to do is I'll use some E6000. Well, first what I'll do is I'll probably put right in the middle, I'll put E6000, and on the sides I'll put hot glue. The hot glue gives it the instant adhesion so that it helps it stick down close to the surface, so the E6000 has time to work. So, and then that's what it'll look like after I stick the bow on there. So, I hope you guys like this. It's a quick and easy one. Like I said, I think it's great. It's going to be great for my Shabby Chic Christmas. I think it'd be great for farmhouse. I think it'd be great for gifts. It'd be great for people who love music. Remember, you can do it with book note pages. And I just think it turned out really cute. Quick, simple, to the point. All right. Hope you guys like this one. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd love for you to do so. If you can give this video a thumbs up, that'd be great. Any comments or questions, leave them below. Come visit me on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!